name is Shannon Glen. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales and Strategy at Vertex. Vertex has been in the utility space for over 20 years now, and I think the best testament to our experience and our solutions is that our average customer has been with Vertex for 17 years. We've used this experience to build and refine our VertexOne CIS platform. Vertex offers a robust functionality CIS built specifically for utilities. It's not only robust with functionality, but it's also able to integrate with other technologies. So you're purchasing a CIS that evolves with your business needs over the coming years. We offer 3 types of delivery methods. 1 is we can offer our CIS solution on-premise. 2, we can offer in just a hosted environment where you still manage the application. We can also provide AMS support, but we also offer a fully hosted and managed cloud solution for VertexOne. And what that means is that we become an extension of your team so that we can deliver and focus on the technology while you focus on your business. Our VertexOne CIS platform is built on SAP. So as a mid-market utility, you're getting Tier 1 functionality that's continually growing. We leverage the $2 billion investment that SAP makes every year within our platform, which has been made apparent by the 40 new enhancements that we've made to the platform in the last year.